Burn that shit off the header?
Yeah.
Did it still do it the other day when you pulled the belt off of it?
What?
The AC belt.
Mm-hmm.
It looked like it.